Drive a Lamborghini, but it honks like a duck. Or drive a Ferrari, but it only goes 30 km/h. Own a Bugatti, but it smells like gym socks inside. Or own a Tesla, but it randomly plays clown music. Ride a Rolls Royce, but everyone thinks you're the chauffeur. Or ride a smart car, but get VIP parking everywhere. Drive a Porsche with no air conditioning in summer, or drive a convertible Mini Cooper in constant rain. Have a McLaren, but you can't go over 40 km/h, or have a broken down Mustang just for photos. Own a classic Corvette, but it stalls at every red light, or own a Hummer that takes up 2 parking spaces. Drive a Maserati that talks like your mom, nagging, or drive a Jeep that blasts Baby Shark on loop. Drive a BMW, but everyone assumes you're a bad driver, or drive a Toyota Camry, but win every race somehow. Own any car of your dreams, but it's bright pink and furry, or own a monster truck, but it roars like a cat.